Introducing the new Acer Eten Heart Rate Activator System. This system can help rider to set the maximum and minimum heart rate to interact with the motor. First, you can turn on the HMI control system. It will automatically link with your smartphone. Turn on your special Acer Eten mobile app. Input your age and necessary information for app to calculate your calories burning after riding. Put any compatible heartbeat device with you and link into your mobile device. The app will automatically detect your heartbeat showing on the screen. Now you can set the target of calories burning you want to reach after riding. The app will automatically calculate your rising time and distance. Even will recommend you the route you stored before. The app will warn you and automatically add the motor power during the rising of the heartbeat rate is over the limited. The app will store all records you used to ride and you can always review. Now you can enjoy riding with your Acer Eten Smart Power System.